Hey, what's up guys, it's Kitty Cass, and today we're doing an unboxing of FabFitFun. Okay, so I've already done a rant about FabFitFun, and welcome to another rant of FabFitFun. So, I have this box and one other box until I need to renew my subscription. And you know what, guys? I don't think I'm going to. Because when I was picking the items in this box, so when you order FabFitFun, you have different choices that you can choose for your box. And as a annual member, selected member, don't remember the terminology. Anyways, you pay upfront for your boxes. So for all four, because it is a seasonal box, so you get spring, summer, fall, and winter. And summer is my last box. So this is the second last box, and honestly guys, it's not worth it at all. My friends and family I've been ranting to about it, so if you're watching this, hi, I love you, thank you for listening to me rant about set subscription box. I've had a lot of subscription boxes or mystery boxes in general, and honestly, this is the lamest box I've ever had the pleasure of owning. Now, maybe while I'm unboxing the contents, you might say, oh, that's actually pretty cool, or oh, this is actually pretty nice. I will give you a little bit of a spoiler. There's a hairbrush in here. Yes, Cass, you could have picked the other items that were in the selection instead of choosing the hairbrush. Let me tell you. So I have very sensitive skin, at least now that I'm maturing into an actual adult. My skin reacts more to different products, so I try and stay away from skincare products that I don't know, or if I do know, I'll test before I put it on. I tried a Glam Glow mask and it made me turn into a lobster right before work, which is even better. So I had to cake my face before going to work. Anyways, so what's in this box, honestly, in my personal opinion, so far of what items I know, are not worth it. But who knows, maybe at the end I will change my mind. But so far, I'm not happy. And ironically enough, they rush shipped it to me. How nice of them to rush deliver it to me, because last time, you know, it came really fucking late. No further ado, let's just open the box. Sorry you guys, I'm not that enthused about this box, but again, who knows. I will say it is super cute with all the butterflies and everything. So we got our magazine with the prices and spoilers. We have a coupon for Bright Cellar, which, if I remember correctly, it does not ship to Canada, or doesn't, like, it's like a wine subscription, I believe. Can't do it because I'm a Canadian, so that's out the window. We have another Hello Fresh coupon, and there is a code for impressions to brighten and straighten your smile. Had braces, good. I don't need it. Set hairbrush that I've been talking about, because, you know, it's a detangler brush, which I'm pretty sure all brushes are detangler brushes, but what am I to say? A rose gold hairbrush. A wrinkle treatment light. This was another choice that I did. I look like a child, so I didn't think I would need this, but my wrinkles right here are getting pretty bad, so when I frown and stuff with foundation, it's starting to crease. So let's try this guy out. Pretty bad when I choose a wrinkle light when I don't really need it, but I will make it work. I know I looked this one up on the Canadian Sephora website. This thing, I believe, was $102 Canadian. But I figured I will try it. It has collagen in it. It's for AM and PM. We'll see how this goes. I will have to do a test patch somewhere here, see if I have a reaction. Hopefully not. I got a weighted sleep mask. Will it work? I don't know. But we'll try it. And last but not least that I chose was a speaker, which I didn't realize was the size of a credit card. But so my little bone to pick, the reason why I'm so angry, I forgot to say this at the beginning. So when you pick FabFitFun, they usually have like different options, which I was saying before. And this one, they decided, let's do like a throwback from past boxes, which is great if they, you know, were maybe past boxes from different years. I've had FabFitFun for, I think, 2 years? I want to say 2 years. Let's just say 2 years, for argument's sake. So I've seen a lot of items in boxes, and even before I started my YouTube, I had FabFitFun boxes, and some of the items that they had in these boxes, I was just like, I've already gotten it, or why do I want bowls, or a rug, or tea towels? And I know there were some things that were in this box that were in the last box. So the I think it's called like daily repair conditioner, like leave-in conditioner or something like that. I already had it in my other box, but I could choose it in this box, even though that box everybody got it. So it doesn't make sense to me. I was speaking to other people that I know who have this box, and they were even saying that the selection was silly. Oh, and I dropped my box. I almost forgot. So my mom gets FabFitFun as well, and she's not an annual member like myself. She pays per season. So we pick our boxes relatively early, the annual members, select members, and then later on the monthly seasonal people will pick theirs. So when my mom went to go look at, hi Salem, to look at her choices, because I always send her the choices so she has a little bit longer to decide what she wants. This is how we roll. And she honestly was floored that when she decided to, you know, when it opened for her, everything was sold out. Everything was sold out. So if you're like, oh, I really want those bowls, guess what? Sold out. And she barely had a selection. Like, I saw the selection. Like, this was not a very good selection. Now imagine if most things are sold out. So let's just say she wasn't impressed, as well as I. Anyways, yeah. In the last box, I got a speaker, like a shower speaker, which is great. This one, it looked bigger. It's like the only item I'm opening right now. I love the color. It's super freaking small though. Like, oh, I'm dropping it. That's how small it is. Like, look at it. It fits in the palm of my hand. Okay, let's just keep moving on to this box. So far, lame. And we got some silicone straws. Straws are always great to have. I do have the metal straws. I love the metal straws. But maybe I'll keep these ones in my purse because, well, depending if they can fit in a container or some kind. I know my metal ones don't fit because they're too long, so maybe these will be a little bit shorter that I can put in my bag, but I could have bought these at Winners and be okay with it. I got this cream. It's the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beautiful, oh my god, this is a mouthful. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleep Savior for better nights and brighter mornings. That is a long name. I'm going to have to test that out, see if I have a reaction. And it looks like last but not least, we have a watermelon energizing 2-minute peel. I like the smell of watermelon, at least the fake smell of watermelon. I haven't heard of this brand before. I also don't get a lot of subscription boxes with like beauty and stuff, so maybe I live in Canada. Like half the things we have to order online from the States, so I may pass this on to somebody. I may try it for myself. We'll see. Honestly, save your money. Again, Editing Cast will put the prices over here of the whole shebang on how much the grand total is American and Canadian. But seeing it like laid out like that, I don't think it's worth it. Again, I pay annually, so I believe it came up to $67 Canadian this time for like one season. And I will say, knowing that this is $102, it's worth it, but are you gonna use all this stuff? I don't know. I honestly feel like I might stick with Owlcrate. I've uploaded a Owlcrate unboxing for February before this video, so you should check that out to see what goodies I got in that. But yeah, I don't know. I think in August, I think I'm up for renewal. I'm not gonna get it. Not going to get it. So yeah, I hope you guys didn't mind my rant or listening to me about a subscription box thing. Leave a comment down below if you have a FabFitFun box or you were thinking of having a FabFitFun box. I would love to hear your experience with FabFitFun, or even what kinds of items you wish they had in their box, or what item you liked from my box. Again, I would love to hear about that. I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.